So Leona told me the other day that she would play her recorder that she found in a box that was probably packed when she was 5 years old if I got her some Gin Smash. So guess what? Here it is. Different flavors even.
Oh.
So we know what the dare is. Leona gets to put on a performance if there's Gin Smash. There's no Gin Smash. No, there's Leona. We got one more thing to go. That's a pretty good song if you're tone deaf. Yeah, take a bow, man. That was awesome.